The frame damage here is extensive.
Yeah.
Yeah, the bumper support is completely crushed. The paint is salvageable on the rear though. Perfect, just like glass. All right, here it comes. Looks incredible. Let's do this.
The sensor readings are still fluctuating.
Check the connection by the manifold.
It looks secure from here.
The frame damage here is extensive.
Yeah.
Yeah, the bumper support is completely crushed. The paint is salvageable on the rear though.
ラジエーターサポートの成果が習いです。インテークパイプにもコインが入っているし、バッテリー端子の腐食と配線も要交換ですね。
The impact damage extends beyond the intake manifold. Check the harness connections here, they look compromised. Noted. What about the structural integrity of the subframe? The rust on this frame section is severe structural damage. Write-off criteria confirmed. Check the suspension mounts.
All right, pull together. Ready? 1, 2, 3. There it is. Careful, heavy.
The frame's bent here. We'll need to pull it. I'll mark it down. The radiator's gone too.
Easy now, it's swinging a bit.
Got it. Looks good up top.
Clear on this side.
The front right crumple zone is completely compromised.
The impact data confirms it. We expected that.
We'll need to pull it here before we think about welding.
All right, let's call it a night. Just the work light. Got it. Heading out. See you tomorrow.
All right, team, let's get this stripped down. Got the welder ready. Looks like we have a lot of work ahead.
Okay, stop. Check the gauge. I see it. Adjusting pressure.
Looking good. A little more now.
Here it comes. Solid.
All right, team, let's get this sheeting secured before the sun fully rises. Pull that corner tighter. Almost there, zip it up.
Perfect. Just like glass.
The infrared is really bringing out the gloss on that purple.
Yeah. Look at the rear quarter. The cure looks absolutely perfect.
The engine is ready. Perfect fit. Let's bring it home.
Left.
Steady. Down.
하나 이동 이러지 있겠습니다. Nice, she's alive. All right, let's go. All right, here it comes. Looks incredible. Let's do this.
今夜さ、伝説が生まれると準備はいいかな。3、とい、1い。Go, go, go, go!
The Tokyo JDM Legends champion for Best Restored Car 2024, Yuki Restoration.
Yeah, we won.